Two-strokes aren't just surviving, they're thriving, and this legendary machine proves exactly why. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Yamaha YZ125, a motocross icon that continues dominating tracks worldwide. Design. Yamaha keeps the YZ125 razor sharp with aggressive styling built purely for performance. The slim chassis design allows effortless rider movement during intense racing situations. Updated graphics and refined bodywork maintain that unmistakable factory racing appearance. Every element serves a purpose: lightweight materials, optimized ergonomics, and strategic airflow management. It looks fast standing still. Performance. The liquid-cooled 125cc two-stroke engine remains an absolute screamer. Yamaha has refined the power valve system for improved low-end response while preserving that thrilling top-end rush two-strokes are famous for. The lightweight aluminum frame provides exceptional handling precision through corners and jumps alike. Fully adjustable KYB suspension components soak up harsh landings while offering professional-level tunability for serious competitors. Features and technology. Modern updates enhance the riding experience without complicating the two-stroke simplicity riders love. Refined clutch feel improves control during starts and technical sections. The updated braking system delivers powerful, consistent stopping performance lap after lap. Maintenance remains straightforward, keeping you riding instead of wrenching. Conclusion. The 2026 YZ125 honors its racing heritage while pushing two-stroke performance even further forward. Are you team two-stroke or four-stroke? Battle it out in the comments. If you loved this review, hit like, share it with your moto crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more content. See you next time.